As we begin, it all starts with the simplest of gifts, moringa leaves, unpacked by hand. Each leaf is a piece of nature's wisdom. We lay them out gently, letting them breathe and releasing their natural essence. As I hold these moringa leaves, I'm reminded that every leaf tells a story of growth and intention. Each one is a piece of nature's wisdom cultivated with care and ready to become something more. In this moment, it's not just about an ingredient, it's about honoring the journey from leaf to life-enriching water. Here, the water and moringa meet. Each bottle is infused with intention, capturing the resonance of nature in every drop. And then the infusion, where moringa powder softly meets the water, catching the light and transforming the ordinary into something extraordinary. With every swirl, we celebrate what we've created. Icosa Moringa. Be still, be sparkling, be you.